Hi everyone, today we will be studying about structure and function of the heart using a 3D model. The human heart is a muscular organ that pumps blood and it is the size of the human fist. It consists of 4 chambers. Now we will be studying about the structure of the heart. That is, this is the aorta, this is the superior vena cava, this is the pulmonary artery, this is the right atrium, this is the right ventricle, this is the left atrium and this is the left ventricle. This consists of tricuspid valve, this consists of bicuspid valve and the left atrium and ventricle. It is located slightly to the left of the chest and circulates the blood throughout the body. Now we will be studying about the chambers of the heart. The heart has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle and the left ventricle. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood, which is then poured into right ventricle. The left atrium receives oxygenated blood, which pours. Deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium and then flows into the right ventricle. It is sent to the lungs for oxygenation. Then it enters into the left atrium and then it is poured into the left ventricle, which shares the oxygen-rich blood to whole of our body. Now we will be studying about the valves of the heart. There are total 4 valves. That is tricuspid, that is situated between the right atrium and right ventricle. The bicuspid, that is situated between the left atrium and left ventricle. The semilunar valves that are present between the pulmonary vein and aorta shares the blood throughout the body. Thank you.